In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on NVIDIA GeForce Now iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Nowadays, you can play Fortnite on most platforms, including iOS. So, what you have to do, if you want to play on GeForce Now specifically, is to acquire a membership. Sadly, GeForce Now is a paid cloud gaming service, which means that you need to have an active membership in order to play. So visit the official GeForce Now website through a web browser on a computer or your phone and make sure that you acquire a membership here. The pricing is going to depend according to your region. So once you have the membership, it's as simple as opening up the launcher and looking for Fortnite. It is going to be on the list of games available. And as you can see, they even highlight Fortnite on the official GeForce Now website. Drop in from the cloud. So it's going to be the PC version of Fortnite, so the graphics are going to be much better, but it has touch controls. So even if you don't have a controller connected to your phone, you can still play using touch directly on your device. It is very portable because you don't need to carry a controller around. All that you need is a stable internet connection. Sadly, I'm not going to be able to demonstrate gameplay because I don't have a membership active at the moment. Keep in mind that Epic has actually found a way to make the Epic Games Store available again on mobile. So if you prefer, you can download Fortnite directly from the App Store nowadays. You don't necessarily have to acquire it from GeForce Now. It seems like it has been brought back, so you can play. However, if you want the PC version with touch controls and you have good internet, then GeForce Now is going to be a very solid option, but it is pricey because you need a membership. So make your decision based on those factors. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.